Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting one primary KPI so every decision aligns to a measurable outcome. Once set, map 3 competitor creators and top hashtags to learn what works in your niche. Next, sketch 5 short content ideas that each target your KPI. Make sure ideas fit 15-60-second formats. Do not overproduce. Test fast. This gets you actionable data on views, engagement, and watch-through rate, and it starts the feedback loop you'll use to optimize. Now produce content with the viewer's attention in mind. Shoot vertical 9:16, open with a compelling hook within the first 3 seconds, and keep clips tight. Once done, /B test 2 distinct hooks, 2 calls to action, and 3 trending sounds to find what resonates. Make sure to add readable captions and a single clear CTA so viewers know the next step. Monitor retention and comments. Those metrics tell you which variations to scale and which to discard. Finish by scaling winners. Boost top clips with paid promotion or partner with creators who match your audience. Analyze 7-day retention, click-through rate, comment sentiment, and conversion paths to understand ROI. Once you see patterns, reallocate budget to the best performers and iterate weekly. If growth stalls, troubleshoot by swapping the hook or sound and testing a new audience segment. Often a small creative change restores reach. Keep testing until you hit consistent, improving KPIs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.